stuffed mushrooms in the Dutch oven. That's right, that's how I'm gonna cook it. But I'm doing a collab today with MD's Country Cooking and Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. That's right, I'll leave links down below to them, and I'll leave links at the end to them for you to see the way they cook them. And see which one you like best, and make the one that you say, that's the taste I want. That's how I want it. We each have our own ways of doing it. Of course, I've been connected to both of them since 2016. I have made Helga's cheesy stuffed mushrooms a couple of times because hers are awesome. Mine's a twist off of hers. It's not exact. It's not exact, Helga. Don't worry about it. But y'all check them out. Longtime buddies, fantastic cookers. Everybody cooks their way, you know, and gotta love cooking. Gotta love cooking. Anyway, let's get on with this. Hey folks, it's Papa. Papa, Texas. That's right, the Big W Adventures made me this. I appreciate that, Wendell. His link is down below, Washington, Oregon. Oh, we didn't say all that. MD does not stand for Mad Dog. MD stands for Military Dad. That's right, he's in the military. He's on base living with his family, New Jersey, up that way. Got that going on. Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. Can you have an idea where she's from? Pennsylvania, that's right, and you're gonna get all that awesome cooking that they got going on. All right, that's it for that. We're gonna get on with this cook. And, let me show you my ingredients. All right, so what we got going on here, I got Baby Bella mushrooms. We're gonna be using those and pulling the stems out. Got some Philadelphia cream cheese. Got some all-purpose seasoning, basil oregano, garlic sea salt. Come on, read, Papa. Some Italian seasoning. Got some breadcrumbs. I'm going with garlic and herb. That's right. And then the big baby of it all, this right here, you will watch me swim them babies in the pool of olive oil, garlic roasted goodness. You will just see the goodness in that. That'll be a cool part. I'm gonna try to make this as fast as I can. Let's get the cook on. It's Papa. Yeah. I'm fighting the elements on this one. I'm waiting for it to stop raining so I can cook. Yeah! Oh look, there's the TV I'm throwing away. It's raining. Yeah. It's Papa, Texas. There he is. Alright, so what we're going to start off with is the Baby Bellas. We're going to pull the stems out of them. I'll show you a couple of them. We'll get moving on. The easiest way to get the stem off is you do pop. I don't know if you can hear that because it's raining. Pop, pull. Yeah. Another tip from Papa, Texas. Alright, I got them all right here. We got all the stems pulled out. We got all the extra stems pulled out. Now let's look at the goodness of what Papa's gonna smush into these suckers. Yeah, that's next. And then we'll show you the outside. I'm using 2 packages of Philadelphia cream cheese. Room temperature, no preservatives. Yeah. There's one, there's the other. So now I'm gonna add the triple cheese. Shredded Vermont white cheddar, sharp cheddar, and mild cheddar cheeses. Yeah, this one's 8 ounces. I'm doubling the recipe and I forgot to get 2 of them. I should have got 2 of them. Papa, what are you thinking? Anyway, when we have leftover goodness going inside, we're doing ribeyes today too. No video on that, but you know what? I'm putting scoops of this, leftovers, if there is any, on top of the steak. Yeah. Sorry folks about the rain. I don't know if you can hear me over the rain. It's only 4 o'clock in the afternoon, but it's dark because it's raining. We'll get the cheese in there and then we're gonna mix it up. What you wanna do, push against the edge. Get that stuff smushed in there the best you can. Hope you can see it. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'll keep doing that until we get it all mixed and creamy. All right, that's the blend of the cheese and the Philadelphia cream cheese, and it looks and smells awesome. All right, let's get the rest of the ingredients in there. All right, now we're gonna add some basil, oregano, garlic, sea salt. Let's get that sucker in there. It ain't gonna hurt anything. And now we're gonna add some Italian seasoning. Get that goodness in there. This stuff's gonna pucker you up. Yeah! All right, let me get it mixed up. I'll be right back. All right, looking at the blend. I need more seasoning. Put in the sirens. Taste test. Perfect. Let's move on. Now is the time to drench the mushrooms in roasted garlic olive oil. This stuff from Texas Ranch is my most favorite out there. Here comes the awesomeness. Now it is bath time. Okay, so you take it and you put the mushroom underneath, move it around, drain it out a little bit, and now you've got olive oil, inside, outside, garlic induced olive oil. Look at that. All right, so I'm gonna sit here and do that with each one of them. I would love to let them just kind of like soak in there. I just don't have the time for that. That right there, that turns around and makes your whole meal 10 times tastier. I promise you, you ain't gonna go wrong if you dip, drain, and repeat. I'll be back when I'm done. It's gonna take a while. Okay, now we're at the point that we're going to fill the mushrooms with the goodness and put it in the Dutch oven. And I'm gonna use some avocado oil. Right there like that, on the bottom. Now I'm gonna show you a couple of how I fill them and stick them in the Dutch oven. I don't know if you can see that real good or not. It's still raining. We got a few flies, so I gotta keep them off of here. All right, so now, let's get there. Now we just fill the goodness. And this isn't it. We still have one more ingredient that I will be adding after I get them in the Dutch. All right, so let me get this part done. These are gonna be so awesome. And I hope there's some left over for my steaks. Yeah. Seriously, this smells so awesome. All right, let me finish these up and I'll bring my Dutch over and I'll show you the last part before I cook. All right, so I got them all loaded up in the Dutch oven and I want to show you Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen, tip of the day. All right, so I'm fixing to show you how I cook those in the Dutch oven, but let me show you this. So I got these left over and I've got this goodness left over. Some of that's gonna be for my steak, yes, but here's what I'm gonna do. These do not fit in here. I'm gonna get this goodness in these, as so, just like that, right there, nice and easy. And I'm gonna freeze these. And then in a couple days or a week, we're gonna need some of these to go with the cook we're doing. And I'll either just put them on the grill and let them grill up, or Gigi will cook them inside, depends on who's cooking and what's happening. We share the cooks around here. Yes, we do. She's an awesome cook. So's Papa Texas. Anyway, that is awesomeness. No waste. There will be no waste here. If there's anything left over right here, that sucker's gonna be saved and it will go on toast. I got some bread in there I bought. It'll be sliding across that. There is no waste in this dish whatsoever. Okay, let's get this part done. I don't know what we're looking at 5 o'clock. Should be bright, sunshiny, and it's raining. Sorry about that. Can't help it. All right, we're gonna get this Dutch oven set up over here on the wagon wheel and show you the results. All right. Because the flies, this is what you need to do when you cook outside. There you go. I'll be back with y'all, babies. See ya. Wait a minute. I forgot to show you one of the main ingredients. This one here is Progresso breadcrumbs, garlic, and herb. Yeah. So what we do we're gonna sprinkle that sucker just on top of them. I know some goes down below it, that's okay, doesn't matter. But you wanna get that on there. I'll come back when I'm done. Okay, so I got it on there. I kinda overdid it a little bit. Anyway, now's the time to get the fire going and we get this baby cooked up. I'm gonna do 10 coals or so down below and 20 on top for about 20 minutes. It's gonna be goodness, promise you, goodness right here. Try this sucker out. If you do and you make this because of my video, come back to me and tell me what you think of it. A lot of people, I mean, you can just take a picture of it and send it to me on Instagram through messages. A lot of people do that with their cooks and I love it. It's kind of a behind the scenes thing, but it is really awesome. I love talking to everybody behind the scenes and looking at what y'all do. You ask me questions and all that. Instagram is one of the easiest ones to do that to. Got Facebook also. And I have my email, but I don't check my email as much as I need to. Yeah. All right, we'll get it going. Don't forget about my 2 collabers I'm collabing with. They'll be in the links at the end, and they're down below. MD and Helga. Yeah, you want to see their cooks, don't you? I don't know who's going to be the longest. I don't even know how long these are. I never know how long any of my cooks are till I'm done, because I don't want to leave any parts out. It's Papa. Let's get the cook on. All right, folks, so we got 10 coals on bottom. And I'll put 20 on top. All right, this is a 20-minute cook, so I'm gonna be turning the bottom a quarter one way and the top another way every 5 minutes. Keep it regulated. Is that the word to use? I don't know, but you know what I mean. Next video you see, we're gonna be checking these suckers out. See ya. All right, it's 21 minutes in. I just took the Dutch oven off of the bottom heat and I'm leaving some top heat because I just put some more avocado oil and sprayed the top to kind of crisp it up. Those breadcrumbs. It looks awesome. Wait till you see that. It's gonna be like in a few seconds. Yeah. Awesome. Look at the goodness. The smoke you see is coming from the ribeyes on the Weber grill. Yeah. Okay, here comes the end of the video for y'all. We're gonna do a taste test. I'm gonna grab this sucker right here, set it right there. Yeah, actually we're gonna set it right there. Yeah. He will be the one that I cut into, but I'm not like Jack's drink water. I don't eat them hot like that. I'll let them cool off. I actually need to probably pull all these off of here because they're still cooking because it's a Dutch oven. Cast iron. Oh, have you subscribed to Papa Texas to see more videos, more cooking videos and all the other freaking things we got going on here? We got a lot of stuff for entertainment. We can entertain you and teach you at the same time. Yeah, hit that bell for more notifications. If you like Papa Texas. Yeah. All right, they turned out awesome. I had to get them off of the heat. We're fixing to inspect this one next. I can get these inside. All right, here comes the taste test. I know this stuff's gonna be awesome. I know it. Oh my gosh. Let me bring this up to you. Let you see it. Look at the goodness. All right, cheers. If you follow my directions, they will love this. This is a side dish to my ribeyes. And it's awesome. All right, folks. All right, go check out MD. Go check out Helga. Their links are up below and all around here. And it's Papa. I'm gonna go eat some ribeye and some mushroom stuffed with awesome stuff. And we got potatoes and bread and garlic. I love garlic. And all kinds of other things in there. I can't remember them all. But I cook outside, Gigi cooks inside, we put it together, and we make an awesome meal. Yes, we do. Come back, check out more of my videos. It's Papa. Don't just subscribe. Hit that bell. You'll see us. Yeah. It's Papa. Papa, Texas. Yeah.